Hey guys, I'm back and I'm gonna make slime. But my other video it turned off. And I'm trying to think what I'm gonna make slime with. I'll be back. Hold up guys. I'm gonna take a walk through the kitchen and look at some stuff and stuff. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm about to go in my new slime section. So yeah. I'm gonna set my stuff up there. And I got my sugar and my salt. I'm gonna put it in my cup. So yeah. I got my sugar and my salt in my slime. And I got my blue food coloring on my own little box. Let's set up because we're getting new oh my god, my grandma coming. You are the best hula dancer in Hawaii. Guess I'm going to be doing it back here today. Again. Well, not all the time, but dark back here. And I'm going to take my color and put it in here so I won't have to put it in there when it's about time for us to. So yeah. I'm going to put 1 or 2 drops. I put 4 drops. Hold up, what did I put? Yeah, I put 4 drops. And now I'm gonna mix it. Wow. What in the world? It's like it's already making slime. Hold up. Hold up, guys. My grandma's coming. Hey guys, I'm back, but I had to fix a whole bunch of stuff. So I got a hand soap. So I'm gonna let it sit. And put this in the bathroom. And now I am going to mix it. Oh, hold on. I need to go to my light machine. Okay, so it's mixed well and good too. And I have my other slime that I've been made. And I'm gonna put it in the freezer. Hey guys, I made my slime blue, but it fell in the sink. So, and it's gone. But anyways, I got a whole big slime, so yeah. What's up guys, the slime is still in the freezer. I'm about to play my clarinet, but I'm not gonna be on video, sorry. I have to practice because my concert is next week, and I'm gonna bring my phone to school on Thursday. Just didn't believe that, and it's gonna be on 100%. And I'm gonna wear my purple jacket with a hoodie on, cause it's gonna be raining anyway. So yeah, and we gonna be in the gym. Bye. We'll see you later. Hey guys, I'm gonna check on the slime right quick. Hey guys, I got it, and it's all good. And I'm mixing it. It would have been formed by now. And I even stuck my finger in it. And I'm sticking my finger in it now. And it's not working. So yeah, it was a failure. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna take this and